Hello guys, welcome to today's show. My name is CHUKS and you're on JFL TV, the home of football. So if today is the first time we see our program, but here we'll bring you the latest Arsenal news updates as they drop all over the world. So for now, we'll start with today's news. Our Daily Express don't come outside, come and let us know say Arsenal they interested in signing Wolves winger, whether they call Pedro Neto. And what make Arsenal they go for the guy? They say, you know, say Wolves now safe. They go for another winger where they call Goncalo Guedes from Valencia. So Wolves they really say if they don't complete that deal, then Pedro Neto will be allowed to go get. So Arsenal self, don't forget say we need a winger, we want sign a winger. Many names when they come up now, Musa Diaby don't come up, Pedro Neto don't come up. So we need, if not ask me, I will say me that sign up Pedro Neto because the guy they used to the EPL, he understand the rudiments of the league. Musa Diaby now, even if he come now, because he acclimatized because you can't compare the Bundesliga and the EPL. So first we be say don't they thrive already for the EPL would be a better catch more could go for. Now what me I see. How I think see Arsenal moving for Pedro Neto. I think say it will make sense. I mean it will make sense. Let me know for the comment section. Nuno Tavares don't score for Marseille as they play against Reims. Marseille play Reims. They score, they play 4-1. So Tavares scored one of the goals and in debut. That was his first match in the Marseille shirt, and the guy scored. The game I watch him. If you see that goal way Tavares score from the left flank, just dribble like two people back. Wipe palm as in it didn't enter everywhere scatter. I really did proud of the guy. I like as he did showcase himself, and I like as the fact that Marseille can give him free reign. Maybe he go play the whole season. Maybe just develop like Saliba develops like next season when the guy come back. Maybe we send him out on loan again after all. Saliba went out on loan like 3 times. We send him out on loan again. I never renewed, but the guy really impressed me for that match. Scoring on your debut, come on, did well. Even Folani Balogun self who will send out on loan to Reims, he scored 1 goal. So the goal where Reims scored the 1 goal for the defeat when they chop 4-1. Now Folani Balogun scored that one. So the guy said, try at least 2 of our boys will go out on loan, we play against each other. 2 of them can score for the same match. It makes sense, Ghana. You should see the boys really learn work well for Arsenal. You should see the boys are very proud to wear our shirt, like they learn the work well. So we continue to make us proud. Jamie Carragher don't come aside from media setting when they discuss injuries. So Baba they talk about Kylian Tierney injury and the repercussion to Arsenal. So Baba talk say this Kylian Tierney now say in injury record don't become a problem for himself and a problem for Arsenal because every season this guy must get injury. That was why Arteta went to go and buy Zinchenko. That was how we thought about buying Tavares, but Tavares still needs some kind of tweaking here and there, some kind of developments. So we want to bring Zinchenko, we could play very well because as it stands now, I can't believe that Zinchenko now the first choice, Kylian Tierney now the second choice because Kylian Tierney is hyper injury prone, you get. And I don't know whether that because of the way the guy they bump forward, the way the guy they speed, they move like flash. Maybe that's why I call they get all those injuries. So Carragher they talk say it makes sense. Make Arteta add somebody else again because if you ask myself, I can say when they say Kylian Tierney because time go reach up, says Zinchenko go tire. If he get injured, get suspension. You can't go put a Tierney, you can't get injured again. Anybody when you say they injury prone, replace them. No, but there are no sacred cows in Arsenal. Nobody's irreplaceable. Now what thing I go understand with that? It's even people like Thomas Partey, they get injury prone record. When you find square roots, you get somebody who's better than him. Players did, so no be issue with that. See people like maybe Kylian Tierney, Thomas Partey, Tomiyasu, irrespective of how Tomiyasu is good, people there will go play better for that position. Before we buy him, no be Bologna in there. Who know him? See, we get one kind of spirit of say anybody will buy, we'll bring up people who won't know him because our style of play is very attractive. So if you are an average player wherever you are, if you come here, you go turn to world class. So now the kind of player that kind of thing they do for you. I'm going to greet MC Lecturer because we go live yesterday on Facebook. So as we run the live, MC Lecturer just greets me. Say, make I send my answer. I just wire am after the show, but why you wire me 20k? I say, Baba, thank God, we get them out because all this, you see all those people they send me money. Most of I never see them like face to face. Who get they just use and they support the show because myself I know the financial constraints of the show. If we go live, all those streaming I don't see what they use. I pay for it $25 per month. Internet what they use. I pay $10,005 per month. So I dey pay like maybe 20-30k per month since I don start. I never ask anybody you say come and pay my internet from you. You get no be say whether dem give me dem no give me I still dey run am, but for somebody to from im pocket bring im money say CHUKS take dey run the show, omo e no easy. With the way Buhari economy dey, e no easy. So respect maximum. Fabrizio Romano sef don come outside come dey talk say Arsenal go still buy more players before the window go end. But Baba come dey reiterate, come dey let us to say the situation of things now be say Arsenal wan sell some kind players, pursue some kind players to create space to buy players. Now wetin dey do Barcelona now, they don buy many players, they've not registered them. They're still looking for how to create space. So people like Folarin Balogun don't go out on loan, Tavares don't go out on loan. Like I said, contract was not renewed. Torreira is hoping to leave, go still leave. Now small document signing, I still remain. Torreira go Galatasaray. Pablo Mari self, I never know that Monza will carry her. I've been at Hellas Verona. That one self go find square root. Instrument and Niles, we are still hoping that one too will find square root. Even Rhys Nelson, that one self. You know, many movements. We hope say all these niggas they will find their way go. More create space. Get Charlie Patino said don't go join Blackpool. Maybe I don't forget. So movement. We need to send other people out. They will create space so that if now you retain the mass, if now Pedro Neto, almost Adiabi, no different people, one side. So Goncalo Guedes, what they talk about, the guy don't join Wolves according to Fabrizio Romano. So Baba they talk say Arsenal were never interested in him because I hear some kind of pockets of rumors where people they talk say Arsenal won't go for Goncalo Guedes or Valencia, this and that. No, Fabrizio they talk say Arsenal we are never looking at this direction. We're never going for him in the first place. So make him go join Wolves. The person who they interested in Pedro Neto. Though the move never they finalized though, but on paper it don't complete. Again, but once they do the signing of paper, one family don't tell you, here we go. Hey, don't say the guy don't join. Then Pedro Neto, when they look Arsenal self will look at they will know how everything will solve. Fabrizio Romano self when they drop Yuri Tillemans update. So Baba can don't say as of now, maybe I did like this. No offer has been sent to Leicester as of now. The Leicester self they hope, they see they wait for the offer. Then Yuri Tillemans self see they look up to Arsenal say how far waiting this up now. But I believe say that they communicate underground because Fabrizio don't tell us before say Arsenal don't buy the first people they won't buy. The next line of action now to reduce the players, come out some people because after you buy go sell now. So don't they sell movement on the happen. After the movement don't finish, we will resume our buying. So everything get processed. So that's what they do. So more just to watch. Time still there, even though time no day. Our Fabrizio Romano still come as I call they let us know say PSG the closing on Fabian Ruiz of Napoli. And how this news take no significance to us, we say, you know, say once upon a time we said we won't buy this Fabian Ruiz from Napoli because the guy himself never agree a new contract. He just be like you tell them to get 1 year left on the contract, no green sign. The reason okay, make them recoup funds from his head so that they no go come waste them as free agents that they don't collect any money. But now PSG they go the one who carry the guy. So Arsenal no reason, which means Arsenal still get mind for Yuri Tillemans. That's why probably they no reason the guy. Even self this Ruben Neves with the Wolves. If once upon a time they say Arsenal go sign now, all of us they say because Ruben Neves. Last wetin happen. Even Man U gone where they talk say Man U as I agree the deal in principle, nobody go for the guy. Nothing there happen. David Einstein, will be one of our super journalists, don't come outside and let us know say Arsenal won't sign winger. Say that one Shola. But the only obstacle waiting for Arsenal front now with this Nicolas Pepe. The Arsenal they hope say if they want sign winger, they will first of all sell Pepe to create a space on the wings. Because see that Saka wing now, we have a Bukayo Saka there. We have a Nicolas Pepe there, we have a Rhys Nelson there, 3 players there. But Arsenal still needs somebody else who will come complement Saka. Somebody either above Saka level or the same level with Saka. We don't want below. We have already had 2 below. So now we tell Arsenal the reason. So they must to cash in on that Nicolas Pepe. But the problem now is nobody is coming for him. It's not that attractive. So unless one can't see a contract, so I never know how all these things they go. Let's keep watching. Gary Neville said don't come outside from media setting. We can talk about William Saliba. Because say that match Saliba played against Crystal Palace. Be full confirm. Say the guy at 10/10. Say like the guy they play. And one thing we can talk again, we say in the next 2 years, this boy is just 21. So in the next 2-3 years, it's going to be like 23, 24 years. Then he will be stronger, he will be wiser, he will be reading the game better. Like he's still developing, he never reach him peak. Imagine what he will be like when he's 28. I just say defenders, they take for the game. Defenders will 32, 33, still they play. You know, be like striker, still they play, and they read the game where physicality, go physically gym more, no big pump up. As in, you see the way when you were that they pump up, you get. Saliba no get that physicality, but two of them take the same height, you know. Imagine say come get guy physicality wey Gabriel Magalhaes get, they whine me. Say the guy still get a lot to offer. Like people don't notice the guy. Myself, I just dey pray. I don't want to make it be one match wonder. Give all the same performances. Moving on. We play Leicester next. Leicester na defense na shit back. People they win Brentford 2-0. All of a sudden they play 2-2. If they meet us, they go collect Emirates. So we just dey watch. At the same time, with Saliba number wey they wear for his shirt, e fit to change anytime soon because Baba dey wear 12 now. When they dey for Marseille, he dey wear 2. You know they used to that 2. You be like say a defensive minded number. So, but the person dey wear 2 for Arsenal and be Bellerin. And Bellerin said anytime soon, Arteta would see a contract. Maybe go join Betis, but they say that there in heart day. So once he don't move, Shola, they will convert that number, and give Saliba because you know like that Saliba professional number be that. So we just watch how all these things they go because Saliba now, everybody when they mention his name, Saliba, anywhere he goes, Saliba. Well, I just pray for him, do well, make it no come do anyhow. So if you don't watch us today, you should check the top left corner of your screen. You will see the thumbnail. Click and see that you get all Arsenal updates as they drop all over the world. So CHUKS signing out. Enjoy the rest of your day and get out.